So when you buy the appliance, full size or the compact full steam appliance, you get a full perforated steam tray, and you also get two smaller ones, a small perforated one and a solid one. The solid one's fantastic for the risotto, which I've used it for, and for cooking your fish or anything in a sauce or anything in a marinade. And then again, the perforated ones are really good for your vegetables, with a universal tray at the bottom to catch any drips. I'm going to show you the full steam appliance now. It's a compact oven, but Neff also do this appliance in a full size appliance. I'm going to show you with full steam the way in which it works. There's a water tank just above the fascia. So just above the fascia you have the water tank which just lifts out, and then you fill this with tap water, just normal tap water, doesn't have to be distilled. And then that goes back into the appliance and the fascia goes down. Now once the water's in there, the appliance is ready to steam. Now you can use this appliance as a vario steam, using your steam and your oven combined for all your meats and your everyday cooking to add some moisture. But the unique thing about our full steam appliances is the fact that you can turn the oven off and just use it for pure steaming. So it means you can cook all your lovely vegetables, you can cook your fish, your rice, your couscous, your pasta, and also your steamed puddings just in pure steam. So I'm going to show you how to do a risotto. Risottos are extremely easy to do in the steam oven. Now I've got some paella or risotto rice with a softened onion and some garlic, some stock and some white wine, and some mushrooms already chopped. So my basic ingredients for risotto. This then cooks for 25 minutes in pure steam. All the water's absorbed and then you fork it through, and it's beautiful. It's the best way to cook rice. It's lovely and moist and lovely and free flowing. You then add your other ingredients like your parmesan and your creme fraiche and your fresh herbs and your seasoning. So it's a very easy way of cooking a risotto. You don't have to stand over the hob ladling in the stock. Much easier. Below the risotto I'm going to show you some spiced pineapple. This is a very easy dish and it makes use of all the oven while you've got the oven on. This only takes 12 minutes in the steam. Fresh pineapple, a bit of rum, some brown sugar, cinnamon, star anise and some cinnamon sticks as well. So that goes in. So that will come out in 12 minutes and the risotto takes about 25. So I'm just going to set it to pure steam. Now turn the appliance on. Select the pure steam function with the little house. It's the first one across, which is that one there. It's a little steam button. And if you go next, it gives you 100% of steam, which is what you want. You only turn the steam down if you're doing something very delicate, like asparagus or mange tout. And then just press the go button. Now it's telling me that I need to fill my water tank. So if that notice comes up, whether it's halfway during cooking, then you need to replace the tank and the timer will start again. Okay. So use the comfort rails just to slide the pineapple in. 100% of steam, press the go button, and then the appliance doesn't actually start cooking until it's preheated. So it only counts down on the timer when the red line reaches the end on 100% of steam. So we'll just wait for that to finish, pop the timer on, set the timer, however you want it to be timed, tick the button, and then we're ready to go. So the pineapple's cooked now. As you can see, it's quite a steamy environment with the steam. You get a free facial with it at the same time, but it's absolutely cooks the food deliciously because it's just cooking in steam. So the pineapple right there is lovely and cooked, as you can see there. Lovely and moist, not fallen apart, kept its shape, and the syrup's become a little bit thicker. Smells gorgeous. It actually smells of Christmas, of all that star anise and cinnamon. And the risotto will take about another 15 minutes to cook. So the risotto's nice and cooked now. All the water's been absorbed into the rice and it's nice and free flowing. And I'm now going to add the other ingredients just to finish it off. Okay, so the risotto's lovely and cooked. As you can see, it's absorbed all the water and the stock. I'm just going to fold the mushrooms in, give it a good mix. Now, the rest of the ingredients I'd like to add to the risotto is some creme fraiche, and that gives a really nice creamy texture to the risotto. You could add sour cream or cream if you wanted to. I've got some fresh Parmesan cheese, which I've grated. about 3 to 4 tablespoons. It depends on your taste. You can add more if you wish. And I've got some fresh chopped herbs here. Whatever you've got in the garden or at home, fresh parsley. I've got a little bit of thyme in there as well. And of course some seasoning. Salt, not too much salt because you've got stock in there which is quite salty. And some fresh ground black pepper. Lots of nice seasoning in there in the risotto. Give that a good stir around to add in those ingredients, and you've got a very easy, quick 25 minutes risotto that you've not had to stand over the hob and ladle the stock in. Very quick, very easy. You can almost forget about it for 25 minutes. So I've mixed all those ingredients in, and I'm just going to plate a bit of the risotto up on the plate there. Delicious. One of my favourite things is risotto. But the thing is with risotto, it does take a little bit of time, but this is a fantastic way. Easy midweek meal in 25 minutes in a full steam Neff oven.